kite, herd of barred-shouldered dove. You can also see some palm trees on the left-hand side, so not so common out here. They pop up every now and then. There's Liverstonia palm. So Kakadu has 6 different types of landforms, and you can probably tick off savanna woodlands if you've been driving on the highways, which no doubt you have. You can definitely tick off wetlands, because that's where we are now. If you've been to Norlangia Rock, you can tick off rocky outcrops. And the other 3 is down near the ocean, which you can't really get to at the moment, which is the mangroves and the salt flats. And then over at the escarpment country, so way over to the east, there's a huge cliff face that stretches for about 200 kilometres. And then the last landform of Kakadu is the monsoonal rainforest. So there's pockets of little bits of rainforest all over Kakadu National Park, and that's where you'll mainly find those big palm trees.